Hi, hello, welcome to Bell English. Today we are going to see a job opening provided for a data entry by Amazon. Amazon, as you people know, one of the reputed company. It has branches in various operational centers across the globe. So this opportunity is provided for people whoever has background in data entry and who are able to do data entry. So this is the post actually. So the designation name is Associate CTK Employee Services, like HR time. So this is part of HR team. So you'll be working as part of an HR team. So you'll be the member in HR team where you'll be responsible for manually capturing, like it's like capturing the timings posted by different locations and by different people in Amazon, and that will be a report or manual submissions that will come through different sources. All you have to do is you have to capture them into a HR system. I given the link for this job application in the below description box. You can use it. It's a reference link which will be routed through this website. You can use this website for applying for this job. So please check on the description box for this particular job application link. So here, this is the explanation about the position. The vision of centralized timekeeping team to utilize top talent to streamline time and attendance data entry. So reduce payroll defects and provide consistently high service level. Today CTK supports and manages time and attendance matters for thousands of Amazon associates. Requests for edits are submitted via trouble ticketing from operators and HR across the network. So which means as soon as the timings are being generated and submitted, so there might be some manual request coming in as a ticket, which should be like a service ticket or something, which should be poured into your bin where you have to manually edit them in the system. The centralized team manages the ticket queue by executing on the request of FIFO basis, but will prioritize any payroll impacting tickets if there is a risk of payroll defect. The effort of this team supports the business by ensuring associates' time and attendance matters are handled with speed, precision, and with customer obsession always in mind. So I hope this is clear enough about the centralized timekeeping job. And this is the explanation about the position. Okay, it's with the HR team, and you'll make you'll make difference for the Amazonians. Okay, so the people who are working, they'll be your customer, the internal customer, as how it would be termed in corporate terms. So you'll be working for them. So you have to manually like we are recruiting for a time and attendance operational admin. Okay, so you have to manage the timings. I mean, you have to manually track them. Okay, this position specializes in time and attendance management. The timekeeper role is centralized function that will manage time and attendance matters for buildings across the network, which means the operational buildings across the Amazon network. Okay, that can be a center like the fulfillment center, or that can also be the delivery center, or where the products would be stored, storerooms and operational office, admin office, can be any building which is into the Amazon network. Role requires fast, accurate and reliable data entry. Please look into this. It requires a fast, accurate and reliable data entry. Will work on trouble ticket queues of time and attendance issues submitted by buildings or auto-generated, as I was explaining. It could be an auto-generated report or request, or can be from a person who manages it. It might be from a different team working across the network buildings. So auto-generated from the time and attendance system. Your primary focus will be resolution of incoming time and attendance inquiries with opportunities for other engagement upon completion of centralized responsibility. So as soon as you complete your centralized responsibility, you may have to look into those tickets and make sure it's getting completed. So you may participate in continuous improvement process project. Of course, any company would look for this is very important criteria, and it's a criterion which every institution or the corporate companies look for. People who are consistently giving process improvement ideas and who are working towards the betterment of the process which is being handed over to them. It's not that you have to make a tremendous change over there, but still a small thing matters. So it's all about participation. Okay, it's not just you are doing some monotonous job, whatever is being assigned to you, just completing it and leaving it. It's like your extra effort which should be gauged and which should absolutely be helping you for your career growth up the ladder. So a keen understanding of Amazon's attendance policies, employee groups, and applicable state and federal laws will be necessary. Of course, yeah, I mean, you should have basic exposure. Timekeeping will focus primarily on ticketing. Okay, so it's like ticketing system completely. You will report directly to the time and attendance manager or time and attendance point of contact. Okay, so you'll be reporting to either the manager or a point of contact. And this is about the basic qualifications requirement. Okay, you could be like any bachelor degree. You might have completed any bachelor degree. That's the basic criterion. And then 0 to 1 year of data entry experience, timekeeping with minimum 1 year of relevant experience. Okay, so can be data entry or timekeeping, but minimum 1 year, 0 to 1 year is expected here. And you can be a fresher in that case if it is 0 to 1 years. Okay, so if at all you possess required qualities, if what they are looking for, you might always have an opportunity to knock the position. Okay, so you know how to escalate. You should know, any organization, of course, as I was explaining, would have structures. Okay, would have structures of reporting skills. You should always be in a position to escalate something which is not in your scope for resolution, but still comes across your view. Okay, if it comes across you, but still you're not able to resolve it on a proper basis, or you see something is not proper, something is fishy, which is not acceptable, but still not in the scope of resorting by yourself, you have to definitely escalate it to your management, or at least to your next supervisor. So knows how to escalate, comfortable and able to provide feedback regarding the role and work volume, aptitude for working independently with excellent problem solving skills, strong ownership, bias for action, deliver results, insight on the highest standard. MS Office experience is required. Of course, any data entry would look for typing experience would be an added advantage, and MS Office is absolutely necessary, without which you won't be able to have basic data entry process in the computers. Proven experience working with Windows, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Yeah, those are the MS Office, like Windows, Word, Excel, PowerPoint are the basic MS Office. Preferred qualifications. So these are things which are preferred. Experience with PeopleSoft is preferred. PeopleSoft is a software which is used for human resource management. It's a HRM software which should be used for tracking attendance and people's performance and blah 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 on the regular basis. Like regular calculations of things would be done. Completely the HRM process. With that software, that will be an added advantage, and up to 1 year of experience is preferred. Yeah. See, this matters a lot here. 1 year experience is preferred here. So you can be a fresher with a basic knowledge of how to do a data entry. You can be a person who has a little bit exposure, maybe like 3 to 4 months or 5 months of experience, can be anything. So if at all you got 1 year, that's preferred here. Okay, and let's see how we can apply. You have to click the apply now button. So as soon as you click, you'll be routed for creating an account or logging into your existing account. So this is the page which will be routed. So if at all you are already using Amazon login, like for purchasing something, or if you are a seller or a buyer there. Okay, buyer as in people might definitely have Amazon because you'd have procured any of your gadget or something over online. So if at all you got an ID, you can very well log in by this. So you can log in with your existing Amazon account and you can update your profile and there will be an option to fill details, and post that you have to upload your resume, and then you have to submit it. If not, of course you can create it here. No need to worry at all. If you don't have an Amazon account, so no need to worry at all. You can always create one. So just click it as create one. So you'll be routed to the next page where you can create it yourself. So most of these corporates, most of these MNCs would actually have such system of creating profile for yourself, and that would be stored on a temporary server of the company where if something similar opportunities comes in, so they'll try to reach you out. So that it's always better to create such profile in reputed institutions, the MNCs, whichever, and the companies across. So that'll be easier for the companies to filter your resume. But it's not that it just you fill, you'll definitely hear back from them, because even they are a hell and they do have a lot of competitions and a lot of applications would be poured in. So you should also have your ears open. Besides, it's always good to create a profile so that you'll have your data with a company which would always look for when something arises as a need for them. So you can create with the email address, create a password, and as soon as you create, so you can either do Amazon account creation, or you can create for the jobs alone, Amazon jobs. You can create and then fill in the details, and then go ahead with uploading your resume, and then you'll be applying for this position. Besides that, you can also apply for any other relevant positions in the job market provided by Amazon. So I hope this video is helpful. If you're a new viewer to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, support the channel, and as soon as you subscribe, do not forget to click that bell button so that regular video updates on the jobs will be poured into your inbox. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like the video, share it with your friends, and please do let me know in the comments box whatever any specific job if you're looking, or any relevant positions you wanted me to post here. I'll be pleased to do that. Please let me know in the comment section as well. See you soon with another job opening. Till then, take care. Bye bye.